Hello everyone, my name is Gurmeet Singh, and in this video we are going to learn that how we can add a menu bar, a nav bar in our web page without doing any code. So for this we are going to install a software. Type SoThink DHTML menu in Google. On this first link you can see a website www.sothink.com. So I'm going to click on this first link. On this website, you can see that we can download a trial version of the software for 30 days. So we can download it from here. I have already downloaded it. So now I'm going to install it. Click on next. Click here. Click on next. Again click on next. Next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on install. So it's going to install. This software is very easy to use. So after installing it, we are going to learn that how to use this software. With the help of this software, we can add attractive nav bars, menu bars to our web pages. So this software is very easy to use. We can add nav bar or menu bar to our web page without doing any code with the help of this software. It's going to install. We are waiting. So it's installed. We can click on finish. It's opening now. So as we know that it's a trial version, we can click on continue. So this is the software and these are the designs of menu bars. These are the designs. We can use one of them. So I am going to use this. Click on OK. So this is the design. We can also modify this design. For example, if I don't want to keep this drop down menu, I can also remove this. For this, we can click on the tab. We can select these options which we don't want to keep, and we can delete with the help of this button, this option. We can select one by one and we can delete. It's very easy to use. You can see that now. If you want to increase the width of the tabs, you can also do that. If you want to increase the width of all the tabs, you can select all the tabs. So item width, you can change over here. You can see the change now. Now we can publish it in our web page. So here we can click on publish. Now click on publish. So I have created a web page. I'm going to select that web page in which I want to place this menu bar. So this is the web page. Open. So this is the code in that web page. So click in the body part where you want to keep that menu bar. So I want to keep this menu bar on this h3 tag. So just click on insert code. The code is inserted. Click on OK. Publish was finished successfully. Click on OK. Now we are going to open the page. You can see that there are so many changes in this folder because previously I had only this page. Now we can open and can see the output. So this is the navbar. So you can see that it's very easy to use. So that was the video. Thanks to watch this video.